a bit to put the chocolate. So I'm gonna pour a big quantity of chocolate, and we're gonna make sure that the chocolate's going all the way to the edges, not over, obviously. And once you have a nice layer of chocolate, you're gonna pour everything back. Of course, the chocolate that you have here can be reused for another recipe. Beautiful. Look at this. Now let's set. Once your chocolate is set, we're gonna unmold it really carefully. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at this shine here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna melt it a little bit on a hot pan to have this perfect shape. Beautiful. So I have my first part here, and I'm gonna take my second. Careful again, I don't want them to break. Beautiful. Melt again. And once you're gonna melt it like that, you're gonna create some melt chocolate that's gonna help you stick the two together and seal everything. I usually use my finger to smooth the outside to make sure that it's perfect. Beautiful. Once you have your bowl here, I'm going to open it with a cookie cutter that I put in the oven. Now that you have your circle there, I'm just gonna push a little bit to put the chocolate. We're gonna take some cream, just Cool Whip that I made, and we're gonna garnish the bowl to create a trifle. We're gonna have some strawberry. I love strawberry, so you can put a lot inside. Beautiful. We're gonna have some crushed pretzel. The second layer of strawberry. Beautiful. The second layer of pretzel. And we're gonna finish with our beautiful whipped cream. We have this decoration. Of course, you can do anything you want. A little pretzel on the top. That is pretty. We're gonna put strawberries just cut in half. I'm also gonna put some dry raspberries here and there. And we're gonna finish with some crushed pretzel. We're gonna keep going with a little shot. Tiny cup like this, and you're gonna dip it into the juice. Perfect. And you're gonna wait until it's solidified. Once it's set, look at this. It's amazing. I'm gonna dip it into sugar here, liquid sugar, and pretzel. So we're gonna take our shots. Look at this. Everything is edible. Little shot, and we're gonna fill them with vodka. Perfect. And now that you have your vodka, we're gonna put a little bit of raspberry syrup to have the vodka raspberry edible shot. Beautiful. And we have our beautiful vodka and strawberry shots. Let's assemble them with our beautiful desserts. As you can see, they perfectly keep their shape. Beautiful. Enjoy!